Today we've had the opportunity to talk a bit about data minimization and the efforts that we're making on M-PESA to keep customer information safe and secure. We have received in the past, complaints from customers transacting on M-PESA when they say nikituma pesa kwa mtu alafu ananipigia simu. And we wanted to find ways in which we can protect our customers doing that. This is a step in a long journey that began in 2020, where we began by protecting customers' phone numbers on Pochi la Biashara. We then made sure we implemented it internally for our own employees so that we protect your phone numbers from view, as we then moved to the statements, the M-PESA statements that many of us use, as well as the API connections that our buy goods and Lipa na M-PESA traders use to receive M-PESA transactions. And today, what is the next step that we're talking about? When I send money to you, my full names and my phone number will not be coming through. The protection that we're offering people who send money on M-PESA to other people is your first name and your last name as per your ID will come through, and the middle 3 digits of your phone number will be crossed out. So no one can use your phone number without your permission. This feature on our person-to-person minimization will go live on the 24th of March for all of our transactions.